Yes, sorry for some disturbance came due to the network problem. Okay. Listen, children. We saw that three types of wind: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and local winds. That permanent winds is called the trade winds, westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in the particular direction. Yes, the permanent winds blow constantly through the year in a particular direction. Area of three types based on the latitudes in which they blow. See the picture which is given in the book page number 25. Polar easterlies. See the picture, major pressure belts and wind system. I'll explain you. Before that, you just see the picture. Polar easterlies, then prevailing westerlies. Then in the subtropical high pressure horse latitudes, that latitudes are called horse latitudes. This we will learn in the 8th grade detailedly. Subpolar pressure and polar easterlies. Okay. Then next type of wind is seasonal winds. That wind we saw that monsoon, summer monsoon and winter monsoon. Usually we say that is northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon, pre-monsoon and post-monsoon. The high pressure in the summer time, it's giving more rainfall to the western Ghats side. The same like the high pressure in the winter times gives more rainfall to the eastern Ghats sides. Okay, so the permanent winds is westerlies and easterlies winds blows in the oceanic area and the polar region, equatorial regions throughout the year. Okay, particular direction continuously. Permanent winds, that seasonal winds means two types of seasonal winds: summer monsoon and winter monsoon. Children, monsoon, the word gives meaning what? Monsoon. Okay, the Latin word give us monsoon. That means seasonal winds. Okay, yes, that's why we giving the name monsoon. The next type is local winds. Okay, the local winds, these blow only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. Example? Yes, you know one example. That type of wind blows in the area of Rajasthan in the summer times. Do you remember? Loo. Okay, Loo is a good example for local winds. This Loo wind, it's a hot wind blow at the time of summer season in the area Rajasthan. Okay, for example, land and sea breeze, that also land breeze and sea breeze. I will explain you. Yes, next local winds. See the land breeze and sea breeze. First the land breeze, you see, development of sea breeze during daytime. The sea breeze during the daytime, it absorbs the heat, it emits the heat outside and makes the surroundings heat. And at the night time, the oceans gets cool and absorb all the heats of the surroundings, and it exerts the cool breeze. Okay, that is the development of sea breeze during the daytime and development of land breeze during night time. Yes, children, in the night time, the oceanic area gets warmer. Okay, that land area gets cool, but in the daytime the oceanic area cool. That's why in the daytime and in the evening time we are going to the beach to get the cool breeze. So now you understand what is the local winds. The local winds blow in a particular place or a particular time. Okay, so this is the time difference. Okay, then cyclones nature's fury. Page number 25. Here they given an article for you that Odisha located on the eastern sea coast. Regarding that Odisha's monsoon, here they are going to explain for you. I make it a simple and giving us a point for you. Okay. Odisha located on the eastern sea coast of India is prone to cyclones that originate in the Bay of Bengal on 17 to 18 October 1999. Cyclone hit 5 districts of the state. Another super cyclone occurred on the 29 October the same year 1999 that devastated large portion of the state. The damages caused were mainly due to 3 factors: wind velocity, rain and tidal surge. The winds of up to 260 km per hour lasted for over 36 hours. These high velocity winds uprooted trees and damaged the Kacha houses. Rooftops of several industrial sheds and other houses were also blown away. Power supply and telecom lines snapped completely. Yes, that last year we saw in the Thane cyclone in the Pudukkottai Tanjore district. Heavy rain occurred under the influence of the cyclone for 3 days continuously. These rains led to flooding of in the major rivers of Odisha. That is Odisha. The cyclonic winds caused the tidal waves that swept 20 km high inland and brought massive destruction to the coastal areas. The 7 to 10 meter high tidal waves intruded suddenly and caused massive damage to the standing paddy crops. Okay, this article they given in your book. Okay, yeah. Then next, the cyclone organized as a depression in the Gulf of Thailand. Depression, low pressure near the east of Port Blair and 25 October 1999 and gradually moved in northwestward direction. It intensified into a super cyclone and hit the area between Arizama and Baliguda in Odisha on 29 October at 10:30 am. The super cyclone swept entire the coast of Odisha, including the cities of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack and 28 coastal towns. About 13 million people were affected. A large number of livestock were killed. Standing crops or paddy, vegetables and fruits were heavily damaged due to salinization caused by tidal surge. Large tracts of agricultural land have turned infertile. Because the ocean water entered to the fertile land means the fertile of the soil lose. Large tracts of sal, teak and bamboo plantations have disappeared. The mangrove forest between Paradip and Konark vanished. Okay, how much of destruction that super cyclone given to that Odisha in 1919. Yes, that is. Cyclone nature fury. Being located on the eastern coast of India, Odisha is prone to cyclones originating in the Bay of Bengal. Being located on the eastern coast of India, Odisha is prone to cyclones originating in the Bay of Bengal. Witnessed 2 cyclones in the same year 1999. One on 17 to 18 and another one is 29th October, that also same month. Then what are the damage it caused to that area? Devastated large portions of the state. Damages were mainly caused by wind velocity and tidal surge. Tidal surge means what? That sea water entered to the land area. And also that waves causes damages to the nearby areas of the ocean. The speed of winds was up to 260 km per hour and they lasted for more than 36 hours. And the trees were uprooted and Kacha houses were damaged due to the high velocity of winds. Rooftops of several industries and other houses were also blown away. Power supply and telephone network were seriously affected because all the cables cut. Then heavy rain occurred because of cyclone for 3 days continuously. This will make that area flooding. Okay, the heavy rain, excess of rainwater causing the flood. This led to flooding of major rivers of the state. The winds caused tidal waves that swept 20 km inland. Okay, that winds, heavy strong winds caused the tidal waves. That tidal waves entered to the inland, nearly 20 kilometers. It came inside of the villages or on the towns and brought massive destruction to the coastal areas. And what that saline water will do, about 13 million people were affected in the cyclone. It destroyed standing crops of paddy, vegetables and fruits, besides killing a large number of livestock. Then large tracts of agricultural land turned infertile due to salinization caused by the tidal surge. The tidal surge means the sea water entered to the area, that is cultivated area. Cultivation area affected due to the sea water means it's getting salinization, salt water. Salt water may lose the fertility of the soil. We know very well the salt water is not good for the plant growing. Okay. There was also a huge loss to natural vegetation as tracts of sal, teak and bamboo plantations disappeared. The mangrove forest between Paradip and Konark also vanished. Yes. Choose the correct answer. Name the rainfall which is caused due to the obstruction of mountain. Sorry dears, this is the next one you just mention and later I will give the explanation. What is air pressure and why do we not feel the pressure of the air on our body? This general questions for you. Give answer for me. Name a seasonal winds, that is monsoon, northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon, that is winter monsoon and summer monsoon. Name any two permanent winds, easterlies and westerlies. What type of wind is the Lu? It's a local wind. Name a state in India which is prone to cyclones. Odisha. Generally, in which month does a cyclone occur? In the month of October or November. Okay. Your children, go through your book. Read your book well. If you have any doubt, you ask me.